Ang third temple po ay tinatayo na.
In secret, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has shown his tremendous support in rebuilding the Third Temple. Recently, he released a video walking through underground tunnels beneath Al-Aqsa, which some believe are intended to weaken the foundations of the mosque and justify a takeover of the Temple Mount.
Si Netanyahu po, he is at the tunnel. Ito po ay located in Al-Aqsa, which is where the Dome of the Rock is located. It will be destroyed. Tapos tatayuan po nila ng Third Temple. Naintindihan po natin.
That Netanyahu's actually privately been funding around this conversation of building a third temple.
The Temple Mount is in our hands.
Things are going to change in the Temple Mount. We're going to have the third temple. Okay? Things are going to change. We're going to have the third temple.
We will all see the building of the third temple in Jerusalem very soon.
The Temple Institute in Jerusalem is active. All of the golden pieces that are being put together for the third temple have been built and are ready. The table of showbread, the menorah is ready. The third temple is ready.
You see, everything have been prepared.
Pag ang third temple po ay natayo na, simbolo ng katapatan ng Panginoon sa Israel. Pangalawa, ang third temple po ay tatahanan or titirahan ng Antichrist. It's not a matter of if. It is a matter of when. Kung kailan ito matatapos. I don't know if this is not waking you up, na talaga pong nasa last days na po tayo, I don't know what will. If you will ask me, sino pong maliligtas sa rapture? Ang tanging paraan para tayo po ay makasama sa rapture, it is when you have Jesus Christ in your life. When you say you have Jesus Christ in your life, ibig sabihin po nun, ang Holy Spirit ay nasa sa iyo. Kung ikaw pa rin nasusunod sa buhay mo at hindi ang Holy Spirit, hindi si Jesus Christ, ibig sabihin, hindi ka patunay na binago. Ito po, sasabihin ko po sa inyo, lahat po ng born-again Christian dyan, kahit ikaw ay nag-a-attend ng born-again church, pero walang tunay na pagbabago sa iyo. If you are not manifesting the fruits of the Holy Spirit inside of you, baka hindi ka talaga tunay na ligtas. Hindi po tayo nagkukondina. Wala pong perpektong Kristiyano rin po, just to balance it. Ngunit, ang tao pong tunay na tumanggap kay Jesus Christ, hindi na po nabubuhay sa kamalian. Hindi na po siya nabubuhay na nakokontento po siya, na araw-araw po siya ay nakababad sa kasalanan. Ang tunay na tumanggap kay Jesus Christ, umaalis na sa maling buhay, nabubuhay na ng may kabanalan, nagkakamali, ngunit babalik sa Panginoon, pero hindi na siya nagbababad sa kasalanan. Yun po ang tunay na Kristiyano. Two things that we have to do now in the last days. Number one, get yourself right with the Lord. Kung nanlalamig ka sa Diyos, bumalik ka na. Number two, share the gospel now. Kahit i-reject ka, it's okay. To those who are not sure if they will be raptured, okay lang po ba na tayo po yung mag-pray ngayon at magde-decide? Pero ang tunay na tatanggap kay Jesus Christ, guys, ito ay decision talaga ha. Can you repeat this prayer with me? Panginoong Jesus, marami pong salamat, Panginoon, sa gabing ito,